This is a Surge, a multi-tool made by Leatherman with 21 features. It has a nice leather sheet with belt attachment, and also it has on the side, as you can see, a small nylon loop so you can add the lanyard and wear it by the neck, hang it by the neck. Okay, let's look inside. As you can see, it's a pretty big one and it's also pretty heavy. Inside you have a small pouch who serve as storage for the file and the saw. Okay, so diamond coated file. And an extremely sharp saw, even if it's a small one. Okay, let's look around. So the Leatherman Surge, as you can see, is pretty big one and it's thick. Made the entire tool is made of 420 HC steel. Yes, it has a nice feeling. Okay, the knife, it's extremely sharp out of the box. So you don't need additional sharpening. Oh, I forgot to mention, all the tools have a locking mechanism, so they will stay in place, close or open. Okay, the scissor is one of the most capable scissors that I ever seen. Here I have a piece of jeans. As you can see, it's cutting extremely easy. Okay, let's fold it again. So we have already like 4 layers of jeans. Yeah. Again, it's cutting extremely easy. Let's try something harder. Well, no problem at all. Okay, here is the place where you can add the saw or the file. So you lower the cover. It's pretty hard to lower it. So after you lower, just put it in place and put the cover back. Now is keeping the file extremely tight so it will not move at all. Okay, next we have a serrated knife. And let's see the plier. Okay, you have a needle plier, a regular plier. Okay, premium replaceable wire cutters and threaded wire cutters. I will show you immediately. And here you have a crimper, an electrical crimper. Okay, and here is the ruler in inch and centimeter. It's about 20 centimeter long, so you can do different measurements. Now we have the awl, with thread loop, and two straight screwdriver, a small one and a large one. Okay, on the other side we have the bottle can opener with wire stripper, and also we have an additional bit driver with a Phillips head. and a straight head. Now let's test the plier. Okay, I have here a steel wire around 1 millimeter. I wish you to see how easy it cuts to the steel. Almost no effort at all. Okay guys, so this is the Leatherman Surge.